do you go for your blood work?
The Quest.
Oh yeah, you did tell me.
Yeah. And then I'll come home and then maybe I'll do a little bit. But I might just this afternoon. Sometimes in later afternoon I start to perk up a little bit.
Yeah. No, see now if I go home, when I go home now, I put my stuff away.
Try rail.
Yeah, there you go.
It was hanging fries. We always had one, and that's how it is. And we're eating
That's bright line. Bright line.
Apparently it's not always secure.
But anyway, the first time I really enjoyed it.
like I said, well, there was OMC.
Yeah.
Bright line.
With him all the way. I didn't drop him. So I've known him for a long time. But
Amtrak.
Oh,
1,
yeah,
2,
there it is.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars.
Wonderful. Losing a child is the most terrible tragedy. But why should you blame a man that has done only what I'm reading in the newspaper?
Exactly.
What he has done for the school, what he has done for kids. And I mean, because you lost your child, I mean, it's horrible, horrible, and my heart goes out. But you cannot crucify somebody for that
No.
big tragedy.
No, you can't. I said that to my daughter. I said,
Amtrak.
there it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars.
Wow, that was a long one.
It's Amtrak.
Yes. Good thing.
This is bright line. Bright line. Green. It's gonna be That's bright line. Bright line. Orange. There goes bright line. There's a northbound train 1. That's bright line. Bright line. Bright orange. That is train number 2. Northbound. Bright line. Blue. Heading to Palm Beach.